TikTok goes dark for US users, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. TikTok disconnected access to its users in the United States late Saturday after no action was taken shortly before a national ban was to take effect, with President-elect Donald Trump unable to intervene until he takes office. A law banning TikTok has been enacted in the United States, said a message to users attempting to use the app. Unfortunately, that means you can't access TikTok now. TikTok had earlier warned users in the United States that the app would soon become temporarily unavailable. We regret that a US law banning TikTok will take effect on January the 19th and force us to make our services temporarily unavailable, read a notification to US users who opened the app on Saturday night. We are working to restore our services in the US as soon as possible, and we appreciate your support. Please stay tuned for a message to be added. After months of legal tussle, the US Supreme Court on Friday upheld a law that would ban the service of the popular video streaming platform in the name of national security unless the Chinese owners reach out with a deal with non-Chinese buyers by Sunday. From teenage dancers to grandmothers sharing cooking tips, TikTok has embraced for all ability to transform ordinary users into global celebrities when video goes viral. It also has a fan in Trump who credited the app with connecting him to younger voters contributing to his election victory in November. After discussing TikTok with the Chinese president, Trump told NBC News on Saturday that he could activate a 90-day reprieve after he reclaims office. The law allows a 90-day delay if the White House can show progress towards a viable deal, but TikTok owner ByteDance has flatly refused any sale. The administration of outgoing President Joe Biden has said that it will leave the matter to Trump when he takes office. Thousands of worried TikTok users in the United States have privately turned to Redbook, a Chinese social media network similar to Instagram. Nicknamed RedNote by its American users, it is one of the most downloaded apps since this inception of the whole entire TikTok ban came into effect. The US Supreme Court on Friday upheld a law supported by President Joe Biden and Congress that requires the app owner ByteDance to either sell TikTok or cease US operations by January 19. The statement issued yesterday by both the Biden White House administration and the Department of Justice had failed to provide the necessary clarity and assurances to the service providers that are integral to maintaining TikTok's availability to over 170 million Americans. The unanimous ruling, which found that the law does not violate free speech rights, dealt a major blow to TikTok and created uncertainty about what will happen when the ban takes effect. ByteDance has firmly rejected selling its US operation, and a stance also taken by Beijing, which has denounced the law as a theft. The justices acknowledged that for more than 170 million Americans, the social media giant offers a distinct and expansive outlet for expressing means of engagement and source of community. Even if the ban now stands, the Biden White House administration says they won't enforce it, leaving the matter to incoming President Donald Trump. The law now requires Apple and Google to remove TikTok from their app store, blocking downloads and blocking new updates. If the company doesn't follow through on this, they could face penalties of up to $5,000 per user who can still access the platform. The ban would greatly benefit US-owned rivals Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, but influencers said that TikTok's unique capabilities could not be matched. Making videos and reaching people on TikTok is much easier than other platforms, said some users. Among advertisers, some are betting that there will be a shutdown, while others are optimistic that it will continue to exist after Sunday. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.